my god.
Wow, look at this.
Let me think.
Agreed.
Whoa, Chloe! Look at all the puppies! Look at those cute little expressions on their faces! Aww!
Probably cats.
My name is Gidget, and this here is...
Nobody, do not learn my name. We will not be friends.
She's kidding.
No.
Come on, Chloe! We can't just ignore them! They probably... Oh, a bug! That's how they focus. Hey, bud! Do you need any help? Hey, little dude! I'm here for you! How you doing?
Oh, that's cute. Little letters. I love it. It's like it feels like an actual apartment.
It does, right? And even the outside of it is like nice.
Hey, it's Junior. Just kidding. Oh, that's so cute. The little elves.
Oh, Elvis!
The wiener Elvis. They're running up the tide.
And even outside.
Oh, that is amazing. I love that. So cute. Look at. You guys can go ahead if you want. That's cool. Look at all like the detail in this. He's really enjoying himself.
He really is.
Look at him.
I'm jealous.
I'm jealous of that. That looks like it feels good.
Looks like a nice massage. Oh my god.
Got your dog biscuits. Oh,
Here's
look
for the
at
measure.
that. Is cute. Look at that.
Okay again, puppies.
Oh, it's a hamster again.
I can't believe the things I've seen up here. Did you know there's a woman in 7J who sings in her sleep? She could be on TV. I mean, if she wasn't so bad at singing.
I know. I was thinking like, look at all the dinosaurs.
Next door. There's a bunny rabbit who thinks he's a
That's
superhero.
cute.
Can you
To be
imagine?
honest. I'm an adult, but I'm perfectly fine with this thing.
It's a cool room. So much detail. I love it. Wow, this is really cute. I love this. Look at that tiny little kitchen. This is definitely like a New York apartment. It's so tiny. Hey, Minion!
Oh my god, that's so cute.
I love it.
They have a Mexico.
Oh, Mexico! Represent.
Hey, you guys
You get to see the big hairball.
Good idea. He helps all kinds of
Hey!
animals. And he does it in a camp. So, you know he's a hero. Running truck! Get out of here! Beat it! Sorry, we have to yell at it to leave or it'll just stay there. This place will be...
I love it. It's so much detail.
Oh my god, the little labels.
Oh, that's us.
Good luck, puppies. Be careful.
You don't need anything weird off the sidewalk.
Check out that one cat.
Yeah, a flashlight. You can go home now. You've officially seen it all. It shouldn't work.
Oh, it's Minion.
You're gonna be lovely and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
What did I tell you? Pet store.
Ooh, you guys are not gonna get adopted looking like that. We gotta get you cleaned up first. This is gonna be great. You're gonna be lovely and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time. I am so happy for you. Remember, you receive lots of love and attention. You're pretty.
Oh, just wait till you spend the night in this thing. Oh, that's
You're welcome, people. It's a celebration.
Yay, you did it! You got there and rock stuff. You're dead now.
Oh, hamster.
As you return, please lift your arms and your lap bar will raise automatically.
All right, everyone, that was an amazing ride, and wow, we went on not just one ride, 2 rides.
2 rides, and it's only April 9th, guys. Like, what is going on? So these guys are here for the virtual line tickets. However, it's closed. I don't know, maybe they're gonna open it on when officially the theme park opens, but for the meantime, just go on Universal Studios app, the Hollywood one obviously, and just click on the ride, and it's gonna give you the reserve option. So just keep an eye on it. Even if it says virtual tickets are not offered at the moment, keep an eye on it because it will pop up. So just keep doing it, keep doing it.
So definitely try to reserve, but
Yeah.
honestly, we bought tickets at the last minute, and we were able to get tickets and come into the ride and Jurassic World, like Secret Pits, and definitely we'll post them up pretty soon.
Yes, exactly.
And we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Have a good one, everyone.
Bye.